We safa ukaizer awu madoda awu bantu kanti senzeni kushodani kumele kwenzakaleni hayi sanibonana
batho ba ba dulang go Soweto re kopa le nne le feta kona Shurena le che gore a Kaizer Chiefs ya jima golomo or ba tsuba habli or ba ireng
hayi batsuba yarra
leadership let's just speak or
wa tseba leader a bone bila ke sa ishebella boloi ke sa ishebella
anong ya toilet
let them sell this football club Chiefs expose the PSL Chiefs let them sell it
hey, we are the talk of the town
the way we love this football club we doesn't deserve this in return maybe I don't know. Let them make this club a brand they will the ball once the PSA.
Or your French Chiefs.
I guess I share.
At this point in time, it's embarrassing and it's degrading to say you support Chiefs, Baraka, to associate yourself with anything that has to do with this brand, Baraka. I did say last week, or history le fan base otherwise I wasn't a team. But it was the first time I walk out of the stadium coming in 65.
Sanibonani.
Oh baba, i-girlfriend yami lena ne.
Yebo.
Mntanami udeserve better, yazi ungasetlishi for lo muntu. Hawu kodwa baba ngiyamthanda. Angikhulumi nawe, ngikhuluma nontombazana.
Hawu, indodana yakho mfo.
Yangizwa.
Okay.
Nenzani madoda nenzani
nenzani madoda
ene o mongwe o ntlhoile ene a ntlo ya ka letlho la hae ba mo hotspotile ene o connected shem
anisebenze lihola amamiliyoni nilala emahhotela nigqoka impahla zamahala nidrive imoto zamahala niyamasajwa yes niyamasajwa
hala
anishoti ngalutho okwenje ukukhahlela ibhola yini lenidlalayo indaba nibukise ngathi kwalo coach lo khona njengamanje wayezo translate sa coach manje uzo translate umenze coach kanjani mhlawumbe kanjani ayiqalwe phansi le team yonke ayiqalwe phansi ayikho lento ayivalwe le season qalwe phansi team ngeke sikhathele enough is enough sikhathele kube inhlekiso emphakathini njalo thina siyahlekwa mengiphuma nabazongihleka khathele
nathi sihle sashi
labantu vele ayeke bathukume manje like phela kaPulu babhekele nale should you win cup the day izukuma labantu lapha
Kaizer Chiefs fans the only thing they know what to do
is why
is to attend games and sing songs. This is the FNB. This is not Spotify. We are not here to promote songs. We are here to play football. And let's go support the Orlando Pirates fela. Le bana le ba support.
ya babjwetsa
Akelu. Mara o ka se berekise ba sela pegwana go tlhapa sefatlhego le magago e be expect go sa bone ba mo life o ne botata
wait la posta mo social media
ona tsontso a bone ka gore you know
wa ile sefatlhego
motho go 22 years ke ngwaga ga gore ke 22 years ya experience ya go drive bana ba ile sekolo 22
eish le nna ne ke maketse it's mare re tla re
22 ngwaga mo ba ishije ke o dile ke magoto wa khana batho go gola ka thebona
e fetile taba e le bjano ya gore re palle go feta ko 30
re tlo staka
e seng re tlo staka re stakile that is why I'm telling you the only thing that we can celebrate is to reach 30 points earliest this season. Last year we struggled. Hortman, I've got nothing to say today. My conclusion, I'm not gonna take long, Braga. I'm not feeling well. I'm going to say doctor when I leave here.
Serious?
You can take it as a joke. I'm not okay.
Doctor tsa ka dikwedi ka lo zama go para
Ke kopa ka boshuntse le t-shirt.
ne
Yeah. A ke nana gore ke tlonka a loan a ke tsebe ko nka ke team efe mara ke tla re ke sno pick up a strength ke tla boya le di player ba di low nangere and they dia boya or else the only thing that can save my life let them give me this football club I'll coach it until ba kira coach
ngeke umuntu opheka ushithi njenge 2000 sashawa namhlanje hey ngeke labo dodi laba bangakuthosela ngisho amanzi ngikutshele bebethole kahle senguweke manje umhlathi wakho angifuni futhi manje kube ngathi mhlawumbe ngizokhuliswa utshwala
hayi ungasaqedela ndoda ungasaqedela utshwala vele ukhuliswa utshwala
vele
ngizweni manje abafanele sithi
the only person a dira mmereko wa hae ko Kaizer Chiefs ke mang ke bus driver yena wa ba fitlisa ko stadium ka nako wa pallwa ke
en Spanish ke Spanish ne mara wa bona mmereko o kitimisa batho o tshwere tablet ka bere zutu ka re bereka ko office a never jofa hana ka take back
hayibo akwazi ukuthi ngaba nje akwazi ukuthi abadlali laba bahola imali abenza kanje it's impossible for a professional football team that is one of the biggest clubs in Africa if not the biggest ukuthi ngaba nalawa ma stats lawo
biggest kanjani singena
akwazi buka nje goal attempts 2 goal attempts nizama nakona ukuzama ukora kungekho clear nizameka u2 shots on target 0 akekho nokwazi ukushutha ibhola kuleya team elikhahlele nje liqonde liyekhipha akekho nokwazi ukwenza lokho no one ngiqonde music voice yami ngixolisa
okay ngiyakuzwa baba
bataphelele gore bana ba bokhone ba pregnant ke le bana go bolela wena balithu ya balithu ana ba itse bo papa ke bo mang bana ba gona le baby nyana ke shodi etsa 3 months gona lo fetsa go sumula sekolo no mo di sia ke ke o rata go sa kenye pentu ana ba ba mbali ke ba bone le bone ba bana ba bona ka ofela mole ke ba banyana ba mo go school ke o swa bone go ke first bone o se shwapa ba mo sa ga banyana ba go khona
le tsitaba tsa motho
go re bone yana every year ngwana tamile baba kobe ko spetlele kwa yana baba bene aba kena baba kobe le kwa yana
ba tla tswala
yo baba ngata yo showa 50 ba ka tlatsa beso mo se ba le bang bana ba lefe
yo
se fapana wena ntso ya constata ka usana ntse ke ya ka usana go constata ene ne ksaba tlo go ya gore why ba itse go constata ko ikare ke bua English ko batla go ntira meira wa ba ya ba yalo le nna maloba mo ka ntse ke bua English ka ntse ba re le khwa le lentsho ba yalo batho ba constata taba ya bana ba
check isi class class
ne aksi class le ngathi insimbi la
tshekisa iglasi kanje iglasi tshekiswa kanje wena uthelele kanjani manje iglasi iqondile
awu bafu
ngizutshekisa kakhulu
andizenke la kusiclass
awubuza ungazi wena bona bakuncengayo
ashe bamfuphile
ngizela ngazuyithela le drink futhi ngamusungideka la thela le drink wena ubona uzonganukele lokho ke usayinuku yazwani hamba kini
why batho abadlami
hamba
ngihleli ngithuni yalo
hayi wanje hamba yaphi drink wangikhanyana
ngijimis
nalo lwembu
study table the happiest people ever emzansi and abekho bakhipha Abotosi.
Sa dira mama khoya. Bomma botle. Yes sir. O dirile.
O a re na go mini yes.
Love ungangcoliseli lo blanket ngicela ungangcoliseli lo blanket ne love ngoba ufuna ngeke uze uyiwashe ngisho nokuyiwashe ngicela ungangcoliseli yini kanti wena yini lokhu uphuma nama blankets yaphandle ngoba yini it's my hometown I'm happy because it's my hometown ngikhosi but angithi ngayisupport i-Chiefs kudala ingakafiki i-Richards Bay Fair manje wena makuyi-Hebron ne-Chiefs ungasupportani makuyi-Hebron ne-Chiefs
sedile ke Pirates la manje sejabulile ene kubona wena sihambile saya Mauritius monse social Mauritius kitima TV Pirates yakona kitima TV Mauritius awufuni basashaya tele
ungazongitshela leyo nto lokhu uqala wenza iholiday yababathensi ngaleyo nto angifuna ngizwe lona baby ngicela ungazongicasula love uzoyiwasha le blanket yes uzoyiwasha le blanket ene ngathi ningani
bafana bakithi la bacha Chiefs wena wajabula
okusalayo ngisuwafu khona eRichards Bay okusala ngicela ungabulala into zengane bakithi and futhi ngathi ungalayeka ngathi ngavelelini futhi I'm glad it's a rainy season why you blame mina hayibo kodwa uyazizwa uthini why ungablame ilokhuzana labafana ba-Chiefs Keep asusa lento angazi ukuthi lento lokhu igqoka ekhanda igqokelana.
Hlokana lemini. Kuthi Chiefs yambola ngakaphelo. Yambola kuthi wena mfazi wakho unisupport wena wakhe. Wajabula ukuthi Richards Bay yakona. Yabona.
Fanele ngikhali ukuthi bayakora abantu ilokhuzana i-team yangasekhaya.
Asithi mandota Kaizer Chiefs. Sakhiwa la wena wakhe.
Hayi angihambi kanjalo mina ukuthi into yendoda angihambi kanjalo. Love ngisacela singasoxabana ne ngizona. Did you see the weather? Adelina for the past 2 days ngizona. Mina masugula ngifuna like kuthiwa ngigijime ebhedlela ngigijimisane nawo. Oqala atune flu nawo. Atune flu. Muphi lo mfana? Azolala lana kanjani manje? Yindaba ungablame Chiefs yazi ukuthi uyazizwa uthini ninjalo yazi ukuthi unjalo ke wena why you shift blame khuluma ngeteam ukuthi yenze kanjani ngenkathi show Pirates what was happening nalapho blame mina wathi ngoba ulala ngaphansi ulala embedeni uzongitshela lento eseMauritius uyazizwa ukuthi uthini uyawazi umshado ukuthi into enjani
asikile ubizo wangidonsela lapho esakho kera asikile
on a holiday
that's why isafuna umbuzo are asekhaya mbuzo asekhaya sobona mamalo sobona mkhululuko kanti wena wakwazi ukuthi ufuna ungisa ke stadium sela sako Richards Bay base ikha khona selela manje
waze ngathi bebezonidla yabo shutha usayithembi nawe
ungayithemba Kaizer Chiefs yo
lapho musilokhu ngicasula bakithi yazi msingicika abantu yo Nkosi yami
Chiefs ayithatha ijersey ilidayise ayithenga amabheshu bavula iqembu lengoma bavule lento yabama-Chiefs bayodayisa ibhola libahlulile liyabahlula nje bafo akhe into esingayisho
no yana ha o itse ID number ga go ka tlhogo ene o ithare ke so se sentle o ithauru o khulu ha o khulu ha se bokhulu
o itse advisor le Kaizer Chiefs
o tsane wena o se shwa pelo
se cool shwa pelo se cool.
They want me to fix cars at the family gatherings. Your favorite mechanic that's supposed to be resting.
Don't carry
they want me to fix cars. And I'm supposed to rest to take care of your cars next year. I tried to get out of it, but they have their own tools for me to fix their cars. The only way I can get out of this is if I was a gynecologist.
Your family.
Utshele laba bethu ukuthi bafethu itswe siyavaya vandag. Hayi mavesta ngeke uyenze kanjalo ngasiplananga yini ngithi siplanani sinesibhamu sinemess enfonani. Le usibusiso seyifuna ukubheka off yabo. Hey intanga mina ngeke ngilonga ngedawu ngitsheli lokho. Awungitsheli lokho.
Lalela wena ngabe wena ubheka somewhere wena.
Into engizoqala ngayo namhlanje ukuthi sidinga ucoach kwiKaizer Chiefs. We need a coach kwiKaizer Chiefs. Enough is enough. Tell me why ucoach eshintsha starting lineup ebeswina this year. Uqale ngeteam right kulonyaka wadecide bese sidlala kwiNetbank uyashintsha. Ushintsha team ufaka ama defender 5.
12 years young.
Yini si defender against Stellenbosch. Yini si defender. Kodwa vele sina coach lo muntu ezotranslator. Wezotranslator. Imagine ukuthi at the university uyofunda ukutranslator uma usufika kwi-team usuya coach. Wakubona kwenzeka lokho wenza weekends Chiefs kuphela. Wathula futhi nomtawungu coach eshintsha team. Wathula mtawungu. Number 2. Umdu noVilakazi kodwa ngizoqala ngomdu. We need to move on from umdu Shabalala. We need to move on. This thing of Utumdu is up and coming. Yes. We are tired. We need to get over it. He's not Kaizer Chiefs material. He's not. And I apologize to Urele Mufukeng. Some competition Urele. Look at Tumdu. Yazam. Usama. Naxamo. We Kaizer Chiefs. We don't try here. Nomfundo Vilakazi look at Yazam usayingane akuzanyo kwiKaizer Chiefs usayingane kanjani nangu umbokazi ufika izolo kwiPSL sephesheya manje engane
akazami
ufika izolo kwiPSL usephesheya manje kodwa ingane ngobani kwiPirates abazami kwiPirates kuyadlala umqokelela chess kuyaziwa ukuthi uma uyoperform azizile kuzobuka wena develop kudevelopa kuma team amancane ngiwabiza amagama oGolden Arrows. So ngisaxolisa.
Awubiza ngamagama.
Du sikulwelile kuHugo Bruce engaphikanga.
Eish.
Kathi umuntu kumele ukuyibafana bafana. Bafana umntu. Umntu nebafana bafana. Ayihlangani lonto. Okugcina. Dawunga thenga abadlali. Lento yakho leyo yokukhupha ama free agencies. Sikhathayile yona. Thenga abadlali. Hamba uye kwi-team uthenga umdlali. Uyeke lento yokukhupha ama free agencies. iKaizer Chiefs ayekho umdlali ongafuni ukudlala iKaizer Chiefs. Wonke umdlali odlala ibhola eSouth Africa mayikhulu ufisa ukudlala iKaizer Chiefs noma iOrlando Pirates. It's their dream. But when no. Ufuna ama free agencies. We are tired. Every time le team umusithemba. Umusithemba le team ibukisa ngawo. Izwe libuka. Yonke South Africa izolo ibibuka. Ibingalele. Ibuka.
Our downfall.
Enough is enough. Chinga yonke le team iqalwe phansi manje futhi. Ayikho into esalindiwe. Phelile season. Hayi.
A wise man once said, football will kiss you or kick you. So, guys, be safe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Azish.
Ilela Chipsy. Jeho Aka. Atamaya Chipsy. Ajiwe hapo sukumo body. Yo. Chiefs. My cause. Let them belele is all. It's beautiful. Come on, Zero. Chiefs. I think it's in line with my mom. member we-Chiefs ebandleni. Yo, mewe, nitsamile jwa mobile.
Nitsamile bohloko ntate.
Wetsalang Chiefs?
Hayi ntate. Ya re shapuwe maobane. E re lahlisitse hope ntate. Kore a ha re a hlolwa e re bolaile.
But another man's bread is another man's poison. So, ubuhlungu.
Ubuhlungu ha re a jalo ja maobane.
Yebo.
Le boroko ha be a fihlela re tswa night praying tshwantse go robale ya ga robala. Ne se re tshepile se tshepile Chiefs ne se itsuhile ntate tsa pele.
Yo. Manje ke wena ngwanaka.
But Chiefs is usual, but once a cause will always be a cause.
You don't give up.
Never give up.
So we tell Maobane, let's about Chiefs.
We take 1 teaspoon of cement every day to strengthen the heart.
The Kaizer Chiefs fan.
Yes.
Were you expecting to win yesterday?
Chances of winning were slim, but we pitched up.
You were ready for. You already took that cement teaspoon yet, because you know that Chiefs chances of winning are slim.
Yes.
Nina abantwana bana bakadumela le favor ebona matho ayibo mara sayini masikia mina ni 1 by 10 yaba slice akse ni 1 icho ni 1 by 10 au so you was favor and Lienze Chiefs yabantu. Bona bomkhono ngoba ukhliya buhloko ngokereke. Bona ningadole mthuthuzeni. Bona bondati bomkereke. Bona. Yes, baba.
Hayi no iPirates islimazile kodwa ikhosi alipheli umoya.
Ethini ama-Chiefs amahle. Tutuzilana. Do Chiefs. Do Chiefs. Oh nawe umoya. Ethini makhosi, what I like about you Mishile Zolo. Noma ungadliwa ka100 uzubizwe i-daily bread. Pirates nayithandaza it gave us this day our daily Chiefs. Chiefs have become Pirates daily bread. Siyadliwa siyavelwa. Sidlelwa abantwana ngamanyawupe ngama-drugs. Prostitution. Sidlelwa imisebenzi. Sidlelwa ithemba. People hopes they have been defeated. We have the King of Kings, the Chief of Chiefs, Jesus Christ. The Prince of Peace. Makunje bantwana bami. Ningawo umoya uJesu sekhona. Wena ngome bacula thina sithanda umbhoro. Thina sithanda umbhoro. Yabo. And mina ngiyan favor. So some people people will even kill themselves for the ball, for soccer. Soccer has now become a religion. But in life, sikhona la etendeni lezimanga. Siyokhuleka nabantu beChiefs. Beyinhliziyo eziphukile. It's your birthday celebration today. You celebrate your life in Christ for it. It was burnt to ashes. This is a symbol that you can rise again. You always show up. Imagine in life if singabane spirits sabantu beChiefs badliwa njalo labantu kodwa bangani mabhakabhaka kwenze njani happy people zani asizwe ke uthini namhlanje maro bukebo
Happy birthday. Daddy cheese is
oh. So manje nibonisile.
Yes, daddy kakhulu futhi.
Nibashayile. How is the feeling?
We are happy, Dad. We are more than happy.
And you are happy people?
Yes.
Uthini kumabhalabhala?
Well done, boys.
Uyamemeza uzakhia uthi mathambo hlanga uyameme bhalabhala siyaprofeta ibhayibheli meshaywa njalo ubaba umbhalo wathi mathambo hlanga nani wavula mathambo webhakabhaka come to church namabhakabhaka nama-Chiefs sihlangene under Jesus Christ. Today God will be doing extraordinary miracles. Abantu abazile baphukile balimele. We are here reclaiming your job, reclaiming your business, reclaiming your life, reclaiming your health, reclaiming your family. Rise up and take it. We reclaim, we are taking back.